want your lady racing with you. You gotta get her in gear. Find the key to rev her motor, find the spot she love the best. If you don't know where it is, give it a stick, she'll do the rest. She's looking for